Hello, boys and girls. We're going to begin with our calendar. Can you tell me what day it is today? Yes, it's the last day of April. We're going to cross out all the days that have passed, and we're going to stop at the number 30. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, let's look at our days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was, so we look at our calendar. What day was it yesterday? Wednesday. What day is it today? Thursday. Today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. What day will it be tomorrow? What month? May. Tomorrow will be May 1st. Before I move on to fluency, I want to ask you guys, do you know what day today is? Let me give you a clue. We celebrated this already in America, the United States, but in Mexico they celebrate it today. And remember holidays all around the world, how we were talking about them, how people celebrate them differently or on different days? Well, this is one of them. We celebrate a week long of them. So in the United States, we celebrate the Week of the Young Child. And it's a whole week long. But in Mexico, today they celebrate Día de los Niños, which means Children's Day. Okay, so we're going to move on to fluency. Fluency, we're going to read the words and we're going to go ahead and instead of circling, I'll go ahead and just highlight it. Okay, are you ready? A, am, an, and, can. Do, for, go, has, have. He, here, I, in, is. It, like, look, me, my. Know, play, said, see, she. So, the, to, up, we. Great job. We read all 30. Okay, we're going to read them one more time. Are you ready? A, am, an, and, can. Do, for, go, has, have. He, here, I, in, is. It, like, look, me, my. Know, play, said, see, she. So, the, to, up, we. What does this word here say? Here. What if I add a T in front? Do you know what the word says? There. This word tries to trick you. The TH makes a V sound, and this part of the word says air. There. Here. There. Okay, we're going to move on to reading. Today we're going to be reading a story 3 times and then answering the questions. Okay. And each time you read the story, we're going to color one of the stars. Izzy loves to swing. She has a swing in her backyard. Izzy will play on the swing with Jan. Jan is Izzy's big sister. I'm going to go ahead and color one star. Okay, let's read it again. Izzy loves to swing. She has a swing in her backyard. Izzy will play on the swing with Jan. Jan is Izzy's big sister. Okay, we're going to read it one more time. Izzy loves to swing. She has a swing in her backyard. Izzy will play on the swing with Jan. Jan is Izzy's big sister. Okay, number 1. It says, check the picture that matches the story. And we're going to go ahead and use the story to find our answers. So let's look at the pictures. Here we see 3 people jump roping. The second picture we see 2 people playing on the seesaw. And the last one we see 2 people swinging. So we know that the story, we want to match the story. Izzy loves to swing. She has a swing in her backyard. Izzy will play on the swing with Jan. Jan is Izzy's big sister. So there they're talking about the swing. They talked about it 3 times. So I know that the swing matches the story. So I'm going to put a check mark. Okay. Number 2. Where is the swing? So let's go to the story. Izzy loves to swing. She has a swing in her backyard. So where is the swing? The swing is in her backyard. And when you're writing a sentence, remember you need to start with a capital letter and end in a punctuation mark. And when you read it, it needs to make sense. The swing is in her backyard. Okay, last question. Izzy will play with, is it A, Ben, B, Jan, or C, Pat? So Izzy will play on the swing with Jan. So our answer is Jan. Great job. Okay, next we're going to move on to math. For math, we have been learning about subtraction. Subtraction, another word for subtraction would be taking away. Here we're going to subtract. There were 8 leaves on a tree. 3 fell off. How many leaves were left? So we're going to draw a picture, use the 10 frame box to show subtraction, write our number sentence, and show it on the number line. So first, I'm going to read the story one more time. There were 8 leaves on a tree. So I'm going to draw a tree. And I'm going to draw 8 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my tree with 8 leaves. 3 fell off. So I need to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. How many leaves were left? So I drew my picture to match the story, and it shows me that I had 8 leaves on the tree and 3 of them fell off. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Okay, so now I'm going to use my 10 frame to show subtraction. I had 8 leaves at first. That's how many I had in total. So I'm going to do my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know that 3 fell off, so I need to cross out 3. Oh, let me do it smaller. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if we get the same answer, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we did. Now it's time to write our number sentence. So we have 8 leaves on the tree. 3 fall off. So that means we're going to be drawing our subtraction sign. We're taking away 3. And our answer is 5. Okay, so now we're going to do our number line. We started at 8, so we're going to find the 8. I'm going to do my dot at the 8. That's where we started. And we lost 3. 3 fell off. So we're going to be taking away 3. On the number line, when you're going to the left, as you're getting smaller, that means you're taking away. If you're getting bigger, if the numbers are getting bigger, and you're going to the right, that means you're adding. So here we're subtracting, so we want to go to the left. Okay, we're going to go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we stopped at the number 5. And so yes, we have 5 leaves, 5 here, 5 here, and 5. So that means we checked all our work and we got the answer right. Great job. Next, we're going to move on to science. And so science, we've been talking about habitats. What's a habitat? You can go ahead and write your name. If you want to color it, feel free to color it. We're going to move on. Okay. Planet Earth is home to many habitats. A habitat is the natural home or environment a plant or animal lives in. So here we can see the globe. We have North America, South America, Europe and Asia too, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. It also shows us the oceans. We have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. And we are in North America. We're right there. You can color it if you want to. Okay, next page. There are many habitats in the world. The ocean, so this is the ocean. The rainforest, desert, and pond are just some of Earth's habitats. So there's many, many more different types of habitats. But these are 4 common ones that you'll see. Ocean, rainforest, desert, and a pond. Each plant and animal has basic needs that they must find to survive in their habitat. Animals need food, water, air, and shelter. Plants need air, water, nutrients, and light. So we're going to draw a picture for each word in the boxes above. So here we have the word food. So we're going to draw some food. I'm going to draw an apple. What else would be food? A banana, an orange, pizza would also be food. But what about for animals? Grass is also food. All right, the leaves in a tree. So all of those are different types of food. Next, we're going to draw water. I'm going to do water droplets like it's raining, water. You can also draw the stream or the ocean or maybe a pond. All of those are different sources of water. Next, we have shelter. So a shelter could be, depending on the type of animal or the plant, it could be like trees. They can make a house inside the tree. For example, a bird will probably make a nest, or like a squirrel will live inside the tree in a hole. So those would be types of shelter. For us, it would be a house. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a house. So just depending on the animal or the plant, they're going to have different shelters. Okay. Animals have special physical features that help them survive in their habitat. Physical features, what that means is how they look like. Polar bears have thick fur to survive in the polar habitat. The fennec fox has large ears to keep itself cool in the desert. So we're going to draw an animal in its habitat and label the physical features that help it survive there. So we know that a polar bear has thick fur to survive in a polar habitat. So the polar habitat would be a bunch of ice and snow, and there would be mountains. And it will be snowy. So I'm drawing my snow. That there will be maybe a lake or a pond, or it could be frozen depending on the season. And so I'm going to draw my polar bear. I'm going to try my best. Okay, polar bears are white. I'm going to use gray just so that you can see it. Let's see, polar bear, the face, the ears. Nose, the mouth, eyes, his body, his big paws, and a tail. Okay, so here is my polar bear, and we want to some physical features that help it survive. So a polar bear has really, really thick fur. So I'm going to draw a bunch of fur. And so it has a lot of fur to keep it warm. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to write fur. So here's the polar bear's fur. And it will help it survive there. Okay, next we have plants also have physical features which allow them to survive in their habitat. Remember, physical features are the way it looks. A cactus has spikes to protect it from being eaten. Rainforest plants have large leaves to collect water that goes right to the center of the plant. So we're going to draw a plant in its habitat and label the physical features that help it survive in its habitat. So I'm going to go ahead and match a picture to the words in the story. You can do your own plant. I'm going to go ahead and draw the desert here. So the desert is really hot. And in the desert, you will often find cactus. And cactus will have thorns. And the reason why it has a lot of thorns is to keep other animals away and to protect the cactus can protect itself from predators, people that want to, or animals that want to eat the cactus. Also, if you were to cut open a cactus, it would have water inside. And so lots of animals want that. And so the cactus has thorns to protect itself. And then over here, we were talking about the rainforest, how they have plants that have large leaves to collect water. So we have a plant and it's going to have large leaves. And so it has, so it has large leaves so that it can collect the water. So if it were to rain, the water would collect and go to the middle. So there would be some water here. Okay. And next we're going to move on to social studies. For social studies, we have been talking about needs and wants. So today we're going to focus on needs. Can you tell me 3 things that you need to survive? Food, water, shelter. Other things would be like clothes and air. So we're going to draw a picture of one thing you need and we're going to write about it. So one thing that I would need to survive would be food. So I'm going to go ahead and draw pictures of food. So for example, bread, so here I have a picture of bread, cheese, eggs. All of these are good food items to eat. Fruits and vegetables are also really good. So maybe lettuce, tomatoes, apples, cherries, bananas. All of these are great food items that we will need. And I'm going to go ahead and write it down. I need food. I need food because, so why do we need food? I need food so that I can get nutrients and so that my body can have energy to work, to think, and also because I want to grow. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. I need food because my body needs energy to grow and think. My body needs energy to work and think. I need food because my body needs energy to work and think. I can also say I need food because my body uses food to make energy to work and think. And there's different ways of saying it, or you can also say other things. We need food to grow. We need food for nutrients to stay healthy. Okay. Have a great day.